Resetting the Roomba J series is quick and easy. There are two main ways of doing this. You can either factory reset Roomba J series using the iRobot Home app or manually by pressing the button on Roomba Vacuum Cleaner. Warning: you will lose some or all of the settings depending on which method you use for resetting the Roomba. If you are trying to reset Roomba due to an error message, then rebooting the iRobot instead may resolve the error. If you still want to go ahead with resetting the Roomba J series vacuum cleaner, then follow the next steps. Resetting it manually from the robot itself. If you use this option, then the cloud and app data and account associations will remain. Option 1. Resetting from the Roomba vacuum itself. Firstly, remove the dustbin. Then press and hold the clean button for 7 seconds. Keep holding until you hear a tone. Then tap the clean button one more time to confirm the reset. Option 2. Resetting the Roomba using the iRobot Home app. Open the app and ensure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roomba. Select Product Settings, then About. You will see your iRobot name here, then select Remove Device from Account. Please note, if you have an Imprint Smart Map saved, you will see an option on the screen to save it on your iRobot before completing the reset process. If your Roomba does not support this feature, then this message will not be shown and reset process will start to perform. Do not forget to like and subscribe.